What if you can get paid 60 cents or 64 cents, 58 cents, $1.02 every click? You are not going to click anything. You're going to promote this offer, and when other people click and they take action, and you get paid. This is a basic CPA offer. So if you watch the video until the end, I'm going to show how you can get the link and how you can promote it and how you can make money like this every single day into your dashboard as a passive income. You can spend a 1 hour every single day to promote that, because otherwise it won't work. But you can make money while you are sleeping, and you can get paid in PayPal account, and this method work worldwide. So before that, if you are new to my channels, my name is Vaji and I make videos on money making, money saving tutorial. I try to upload one video every day, so subscribe, like and watch the video until the end to win £10 PayPal money. So CPA offer is cost per acquisition, or the people says cost per action. So whenever you promote an offer, whenever the people click the link and take action, the majority of time is putting their email address and you get paid for that. So you can see this is the Survey Junkie offer, that you can only able to promote this offer in Canada and USA. And if you promote this link, this is your affiliate link, and they take action, they have to complete the first survey, the registration form, and put their email address. After they've done that, you get paid in $1.02. So imagine that you're able to bring 10 people to sign up this page every single day, that you can make it $10 as a commission, as a passive income. You're going to do 1 hour work, but that work going to bring you lots of traffic and people click and sign up. You're going to make $10 passive income every single day. So in a month you can make $300 plus by doing that. So you can promote different offers from here, and also you can target different customers. The US, this is a USA, Canada, UK and other countries are, so different offers are here for different countries. So how you can promote it, this is the trick that lots of people stuck with it. So this is the method I took personally, so I'm going to share with you guys. So first of all, what you have to do is go to a website like this one called Trendy.com. Trendy.com is a forum, so you can join the forum like a money making forums and survey forums. Different type of forums are here that you can see: affiliate forum, get paid forum, make money idea forum. So you can join this forum and you can post your offer there, and they can click the link and you can get paid that. But that's not easy. What you have to do, if you click this open money making forum here, lots of people posting different offers here. You can see then $600 in 30 minutes online free. How can I make a legit money online free? But the problem with this Trendy.com, most of the forum, is you can't put a direct linking or any other website link in there, because they will block that. Because this is the answer I typed my personally, that you can see. And if you want to make a $50 to $100 per day doing survey from USA, because I'm going to promote an offer from USA, so I put that in the description here, and I have the answer. I have also recommendation for you. I put this one: you can get paid with a $1 minimum, daily payout, unlimited service, and is only from USA. I didn't forget to write that part here. And I put click here, click the link. So if I copy this one here, this is the link. Is not for affiliate link. I will explain you in a minute. Right, so if I go to here, and this is the one I want to post answer here, so I click here and the type I post it here, and you need to post a title for that. So cut this part and put the title and see what happened now. There's an error message say that you can't put this because they say spam like contents are here. So if you remove the link from here, so if you remove that link and click post, and again it says that you can't post it, because these are some of information like unlimited survey or $1 per complete surveys. Those things are not allowed here. It's my personal view. So you can see this is the post I just posted a couple of minutes ago, that you can say there's only have one thing. If you want to make $50 to $100 per day doing simple survey from USA, I have an awesome recommend for you. Here I said put your email address, reply to this post and put your email address so I can send the link, they can join and click it. In a way, in this way, what you have now, you have the email address for the viewer. At the same time, you can earn money when they join those survey sites. You can get that commission from CPA lead, but you have the email address. You can put it on an Excel sheet, gather the email address. You can do email marketing. You can do that in the future. There's a two benefit in this method. This is one actual method that you can do it. The second and most easier and worldwide method is Facebook. What you have to do, type make money online on the search bar and filter through pages, and you join as many as pages you want, but important, you need to consider the pages have more than 1000 likes, so that page bring a traffic every single day. This is a fairly new page, only 4 likes, so there's not many people are there. But if you see this one have over 112,000 people are here, so you can join these pages like I did here. I already joined it and I posted a poster here. What I did, I go to Canva and create a Facebook post for that. So I put best survey site to make money only for people from USA. Click the link in the bio. This is the PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal screenshot, you can go to Google and get the PayPal screenshot if you want. The reason I took the PayPal screenshot from Google is because my PayPal screenshot only showed the pound, but I only promoting a USA based offer. I need a dollar sign, so that's why I take the screenshot from Google. So you can do it or you can't. If you don't want it, don't do it. So a simple post like that, and download that post. Then what you do, upload this post and best survey site to make money only for people from USA. Click the link. Now here what you have to do, don't just put direct affiliate link, because this page will block it or Facebook will mark it as a spam. So what you have to do, you have to go to this website called Follow Page. I already made a couple of videos there, so I put the card in the description. Go and check out this one. It's similar to Linktree. It's an intermediate site that you can put your own affiliate link here, and you can say the common link so people can come and click different sites. So you can see here, this is a Follow Page. I can see 3 different service sites, 3 different offers. So each offer is going to pay you different. Survey Junkie is going to pay me $1.02. I also promoting this another offer for the gift card that's gonna pay you 58 cents for me. So you can see I put all these different survey site offer from CPA lead. I put affiliate links here, so these are the affiliate link I put inside. I'm gonna share this common link. I copy this and I'm gonna post it on Facebook here. So whenever the people click that link, and it will open this page, so they can click the different or website they want. So if they click this one, sign up, I get paid in $1.02, or if any of those different offers. You can do it in this way. So these are the 1 or 2 ways that you can do it, and you can make money while you sleep, guys. Whenever people click your link and they sign up for it, and they complete the full sign up process and put their email address, you get paid for that process. Now this is simple, but again, like I said, with the one promotion, with one campaign, it won't happen, and it won't happen in overnight. So what you have to do, just find different offers and repeat the same step every single day. Spend 1 hour of your time, guys. Promote it on all the social media. If you have a largest followers on your Facebook or Instagram or Pinterest, you can do that, so your followers can click sign up and you get paid. Or if you don't have a followers, you can do it this way, or you can join many forums about make money online forums. You can post it there, they will email you, you can get the email and you can send the email back. At the same time, you're going to collect the email address. You can do email marketing in the future. So I hope you understand, guys. In this way you can get paid. It depends. If you're able to promote good affiliate offers from CPA lead, you can make $500 per month doing that. I hope you understand, guys. If you really like a video, leave a like, and if this video get 100 like, I will do the £10 PayPal giveaway, guys. And you leave a comment, I like this video. Until then, have a good day. See you next video, guys.